Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss top 20 current affairs MCQ questions. This video will be very helpful for your examination. So watch the video till end and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you receive notification of every video. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Question number 1. Which code name was used for the tri-services precision strikes India carried out on 7 May 2025 against terror camps in Pakistan and PUK? The correct answer is option B. Operation Sindoor. Question number 2. The UAS and CUAS 2025 seminar on next generation unmanned systems was held at which venue? Correct answer is option C. Air Force Auditorium, New Delhi. Question number 3. Who was appointed chairperson of Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited on 5th May 2025? Correct answer is option C. Rajiv Kher. Question number 4. Which Bollywood icon did Mangaluru-based Rohan Corporation sign as its brand ambassador for Karnataka real estate projects on 8 May 2025? Correct answer is option D. Sarukh Khan. Question number 5. The grand finale of the 72nd Miss World Festival will take place on 31st May 2025 at which venue? Correct answer is option C. High Tech Exhibition Center, Hyderabad. Question number 6. India's Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, that is IIFT, received government approval on 6 May 2025 to establish an off-campus center in which special economic zone city? Correct answer is option B. Gift City, Gujarat. Question number 7. Under the nationwide cashless treatment of road accident victims scheme 2025, victims are entitled to free treatment up to what amount during the golden hour? Correct answer is option B. 1.5 lakh rupees. Question number 8. According to the UNDP Human Development Report released on 6 May 2025, what is India's latest rank on the Human Development Index? So correct answer is option C. 130. Question number 9. Here, ESG rating assigned which top tier is ESG grade to Muthoot Microfinance Limited in its 5 May 2025 report? Correct answer is option D. Here ESG1. Question number 10. Newly released IMF World Economic Outlook April 2025 data show that which country has overtaken Japan to become the world's fourth largest economy by nominal GDP? Correct answer is option A. India. Question number 11. Moody's Global Macro Outlook May 2025 cut India's financial year 2025 GDP growth forecast to which figure? Correct answer is option C. 6.3%. Question number 12. Which Japanese banking giant is in advanced talks with RBI in principal clearance to acquire up to a 51% stake in Yes Bank, according to reports of 6 May 2025. So correct answer is option B. Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation SMBC. Question number 13. Renew Energy Global plc secured a US $100 million strategic investment in May 2025 from which UK development finance institution? Correct answer is option B. British International Investment, that is BII. Question number 14. Football legend Luis Adolfo Galvan, who passed away on 5th May 2025, aged 77, won the FIFA World Cup with which country in 1978? Correct answer is option C. Argentina. Question number 15. World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day 2025 was observed on 8 May with which scheme? With which theme? Correct answer is option D. Keeping humanity alive. Question number 16. What is the 2025 theme of World Thalassemia Day marked on 8 May? Correct answer is option B. Together for Thalassemia, uniting community, prioritizing patients. Question number 17. India's first dedicated AI-based data center park spread over 13.5 acres was launched in May 2025 at which location? Correct answer is option B. Nawa Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Question number 18. The 22nd edition of Bharat Telecom 2025, 6 to 7 May 2025, held in New Delhi, was inaugurated by whom? Correct answer is option C. Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. Question number 19. India drastically reduced downstream flow to Pakistan in May 2025 by lowering the sluice gates of the Baglia Dam, which is built on which river? Correct answer is option D. Chenab. Question number 20. Following the 2025 general election, who is serving as the Prime Minister of Singapore as of May 2025? Correct answer is option B. Lawrence Wong. Thanks for watching.